Hello everyone, this is Swapnil Junction and my name is Swapnil Verma. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I will be trying my level best to present this video in both languages, mixed languages, because some of my viewers are there who might be unfamiliar with some typical Hindi words and they might feel that they might not understand some technical Hindi words which I say previously in my videos. So I have tried my level best to present this video in both forms. And I hope that you would support me like you have supported me earlier. And I hope that you would like this video as well. Friends, you all know that these are such hard times for all of us. We all are stuck at our homes because Corona is outside. The whole world is facing a pandemic named coronavirus, COVID-19. Taking some crucial steps, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also declared a lockdown of 19 days after first lockdown of 21 days till May 3. So in such unprecedented situations, staying at home is a tough task. It's a tough job as well. When we are not able to meet our friends, when we are not able to meet our relatives, when we are not able to go to institutions, to colleges, schools, when the servicemen are not able to go to their jobs, go to their offices. So in such times, we are facing a very unprecedented situation as well. So through this video, I would be telling you some activities or some tasks which you can do to kill your boredom. Look, there are two types of people, and one type of people are those who think that in these times they can polish their skills as well. These times they can use to polish their skills, they can utilize this time effectively. They can learn new things. They can enjoy their hobbies, what they were not able to do when they were in a minus lockdown situation. But now they are practicing that deeds which they wanted. But certainly there are some other kinds of people, which I told you before, they were the kind of people who were enjoying this lockdown by polishing their skills, also by learning their skills. But the second type of people are those who feel that this time is wasted. They are in a great fear. They feel that they are in a trouble because they cannot go outside, they cannot enjoy their old life. So they are stuck at their homes and they feel that it's not a blessing. For some people, it's a blessing in disguise because they have got ample time to enjoy with themselves. They have got the time to spend some time with their families, with their closed ones, with themselves. But these kind of people are there who just complains, who are in a deep depression state. So it's completely up to you that what kind of people you want to become, in which category you want to get in. So today I would be telling you 6 important things you can do while you are at your homes to kill your boredom, to get rid out of your depression. So first thing you can do is practice your hobbies. I know that you all have some hobbies. It may be learning a musical instrument or playing a musical instrument or painting, drawing, singing, dancing, cooking. So you have to do is you have to practice that hobby as well, because it will kill your boredom. The second thing you can do is read a novel. Read, or specifically I'm not telling about the novel, you can read any of the books. You have to read books, newspapers, because books are our best friends. And you all know that reading will not only keep your mind in a deep peace situation, but it also refreshes your mood and soothes your smile and mood as well and body as well. The third thing you can do is, you can, if you are a boy or you are a girl. I'm not saying anything for specifically gender, but you can learn cooking, because cooking is something that might not excite someone, but once you are engaged in that cooking, you would be learning new skills, and you would be certainly and quickly enjoying that skill as well, because cooking relaxes your brain. When you cook, you make your body relax, you make your brain relax. The fourth thing you can do is listen to music. Friends, you all know that music soothes our body soul, and music is something that is available in these times very easily. You can watch television, you can use your phones through internet, you can listen ample of songs which will definitely relax your body. Well, the fifth activity you can do at your homes is you can watch television. You can watch movies in your laptops, mobiles or PCs, because watching movies will make you feel better. You can watch web series at different web platforms like Amazon Prime, Hotstar, etc. etc. The next thing you can do is, the last thing what I feel you can do to kill your boredom is, you have to spend your time with your family. The loved ones, the people whom you care the most, you have to spend ample time with them. You can talk to them, you can share your talks to them, you can play with them, like you can play chess with them or Ludo with them, Carom with them. There are many games which you can play with them. And most importantly, the last thing what I want to say is, well, it's not a part of this video, but it's necessary. Because when the whole family is at our homes, when the whole family is at home, the task of the moms has been doubled. Now she is preparing food for more people, and for 3 times as well. Now she is performing the task of all the family members alone. Earlier, when usually in the Indian houses, where most of the women are housewives, most of their mothers who are housewives. Earlier, what happens that when their children went to schools and their husbands went to offices, they were free for a certain limit of time. They were getting a time to relax themselves. But now, these days of lockdowns, in the last 25 days, their stress has been doubled. They are working more than the previous. They were working harder earlier also, but they are now working more harder, I would say. So all we have to do is, we have to help our moms. We have to help our mothers in her tasks. We can do cleaning of the house, we can wash the utensils, we can wash our clothes, and do every possible thing to reduce the task of our mothers. Friends, it's a very tough time, and in such hard times, the character of a man or a woman is displayed. Well, God is taking our examination, and we all have to pass in this examination. We all have to fly with flying colors. We all have to be united. We all have to stay united and fight against the coronavirus pandemic. So friends, I want to conclude in this video by saying that you all have heard a famous proverb, which is, the empty minds are the workshop of devil. So if we feel like you have to see that if a glass is there and it's half filled with water, it's up to you that what you think about that glass. It's up to you that what mindset you think about that glass. You can think that the glass is half empty, half filled with water, and half empty. Or it's up to you that you can think that the glass is halfly filled with water and half with air. So positive mindset is the biggest thing. It's the biggest weapon which you all have to possess with you. So with this video, I want to say that please engage your mind, engage yourself in those things where you feel you live your life. That's the golden time when you are getting the time to stay at your homes, to polish your skills, to enhance your language skills or anything. One more thing you can learn many softwares, you can learn many through the online classes, because internet is on and it's the biggest blessing these days. So you can learn many new skills through internet. You can learn coding through internet. You can learn several other things through internet. You can take part in several lectures through internet. You have to use your time effectively. You have to utilize your time, because this time the God has given you through the medium of coronavirus to enjoy yourself, to take a break from the busy life of the world. So utilize it effectively and stay at home, because if you cannot give any contribution to the nation, the smallest, the cheapest and the biggest contribution is if you stay at your homes. So stay safe, stay at your homes, and I hope that you would love this video. It was my first time, so I have really practiced hard to speak in English, and I would try better in the next upcoming videos. लेकिन मैं आप सबको एक बात कहना चाहता हूं दोस्तों कि ये एक एक्सपेरिमेंट था। आने वाली आगे की वीडियोस हिंदी में ही होंगी। मैं आशा करता हूं कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। दोस्तों इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए, कमेंट कर दीजिए और अपने घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए। कोरोना से महामारी में देश का सहयोग करें। और एक बार फिर से इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं सभी हमारे एसेंशियल सर्विसेज के लोगों को सलाम पेश करना चाहता हूं, उनको नमन करता हूं हाथ जोड़कर कि वो हमारे लिए काम कर रहे हैं। और देश में पिछले कुछ दिनों से जो हमलों की खबर आ रही है वो वाकई में गुस्सा दिलाती है, क्रोधित करती है, और ये अति निंदनीय कार्य है उन कायरों के द्वारा जो कि उन्हीं की जान बचाने वाले डॉक्टर्स और पुलिस वालों पर हमला कर रहे हैं। ये बहुत ही गलत बात है। एक देश के नाम पर, एक देश का नागरिक होने के नाम पर, एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक के हैसियत से मुझे ये बात बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आई कि हमारे ही देश के लोग, कुछ जाहिल लोग, हमारे ही देश के डॉक्टर्स, पुलिसेस और एसेंशियल सर्विसेज के लोगों पर हमला कर रहे हैं। ये रुकना चाहिए दोस्तों। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।